We are at KeyCon 2024 in Salt Lake City, baby. Right now it's a little less packed because it's lunchtime and there's food trucks outside. So this is what the venue space looks like. Cute, cute, cute. You know, we've got the vendor tables and booths over there and a bar. These are all the vendors that have sponsored or are present at KeyCon today. All right, let's see which vendors are here today and what kind of booths are available. Starting off, ooh, we have Tiny. Tiny makes things. Oh, sorry. Sorry for bothering your lunch break. Whoa, I still need to visit your shop in the Bay.
Yeah, maybe.
How's it been?
It's great. This is like $12. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's pretty good.
It's heavy. It's
Yeah.
For SF, this is like
For 20, yeah, for sure. Could I get the cat, butt, white, and the sparkles?
Okay, yeah.
Sweet.
Cat, butt, white, sparkles. So that cat is the only cat.
I gotta get the cat one. As the owner of 3 cats.
And you have to pull out a butt.
Wow.
Is that the last butt?
I got the last butt too, guys.
Butt.
Nice. Do you work for Tiny? Or oh, just helping out?
I'm just helping.
Okay.
I work for free.
Sheesh. Diego buying hella artisans too. What'd you buy? Ooh, nice. Same. Next up. Whoa, what is this? They got crisp shungite? They've got free shungite? Wait, are these actually for free?
These rocks?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, free shungite. Sick. Which one to take home? I'm not a shungite expert. This is decision paralysis. This is the rock I chose. Okay.
Yeah, it's good to meet you.
Thank you. Keycap. Oh, okay, I've heard of Keycap. Okay, okay, yeah. Oh, Keycap Korea, I've definitely met before. They're.
Yeah, and these are all the polished pieces.
Wow.
These amethysts are probably the favorite.
Ooh.
With the pokey top.
This is beautiful.
These are jade.
So do you hand shine these yourself? Or?
Yeah, hand polish all of them.
Oh, hand polish. Wow, okay.
The jade goes perfect with botanical. So
No, what?
Look at this artisan collection.
He told me the whites really, they didn't send as many, they sent a lot
Can
more.
you guys
black.
guess
So there's a large.
whose collection this is?
kind of like fitted against you.
Leave it down in the comments
That's a
below.
large. So that'll give you a good gauge.
Look at
actually
these
pretty
artisan
tight.
nerds.
And it's gilded, so it's gonna shrink when you wash
will
it.
shrink.
Yeah.
And they're sewing.
Form fitting. I had to go to
There's
a
these little
3X.
figurines.
Oh really?
I'll do large.
Large? Alright. So, hey, what's up?
Is this yours, Solhex?
No, this is Ariam's archive. This is Ariam's collection.
Wow, this is crazy.
Toys that he made, all one-off colorways, and we got t-shirts. All right.
T-shirts, okay.
Yeah.
What does it say on the t-shirt?
It's a Krylon can, but it says Logan.
Ooh.
Yeah. Flip it
Oh,
up.
yeah.
The back has it in Mogan.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'll take the t-shirt.
Yep.
Yeah, let me get one of the t-shirts. This guy said I have streamer money. I don't even stream that much anymore.
Hey, Korean's gonna Korean. What can I say?
What does that say? KeyCon? Oh, KeyCon.
Yeah.
Oh, who's that guy?
Yeah.
Who
Hold on.
is
You know
this
what?
guy?
Hold up.
Look at these stickers he gave me.
Stickers actually. Yeah.
Screw this guy.
Dude, it's getting a little warm in here. You know what I mean?
Yeah, how are you wearing a...
Yeah.
Is it the same design though?
Oh. Nice and refreshing.
Yeah, screw this guy. Who's this guy?
Yeah. I think I brought all of mine.
Oh, look at this collection.
You wanna take them out? If you wanted to handle it, I would love to. Go ahead. Thank you.
Wow. Is this your personal collection?
Yeah. This is a little bit of mine.
Okay. And are they for sale or?
No, nothing I brought is for sale. I'm doing the artisan history panel later.
Okay.
So most of what I brought is kind of focusing on, older keycaps, kind
Got
of
it.
artisan making.
Okay.
Examples of.
Pretty cool. Yeah, meetups, you see some crazy artisan collections and collectors.
original.
Okay, who do we have here next?
Custom that somehow we got from OTD. Someone figured out how to navigate Korean forums. Okay. A lot of rebuilds and a lot of vintage. If you guys like our friends at GMK, this is literally the first GMK ever.
Oh, we have Key Hive. Long time no see.
Long time no see. Last time I saw you was at the other meetup.
The previous Key, yeah. What do you have for sale today?
Some oceanfront.
Ooh, okay.
And some free stuff over here. Do you want any of that?
Ooh. Nice, nice.
Never seen some new ergonomic keyboards before?
Over here we have Cyborg.
So these are, this one is called the imprint, and it's made to measure. So when you place your order, you send in pictures of your hands, and we measure that, and we adjust the whole thing to be tailored to you. So pretty much as perfect of an ergonomic keyboard that you could possibly get for yourself is what we offer.
Over. I came by.
You influenced.
Oh, you got one. Nice. Nice. I came by earlier and you weren't here, so I'm back again.
Just trying to do a battery recharge.
Matt's table's so aesthetic. We've got the Wooting table here. Ooh. Wait, it's a Wooting table, but they have a Noxray keyboard. Oh, they put the Wooting PCB inside.
Oh, he's got one too.
Okay, okay.
It's not just your job, you just got a system to work.
Because you don't have to be here to win. You just need some info.
I want to try out their new TKL.
Oh, I know this guy over here.
Do you have the TKL today? No?
I don't have the ADHD in time.
That's what I wanted to try.
I wanted to see it, but
Someone in chat said it was going to be here.
Hall effect though. So,
Okay, okay.
I mean, like, Hall effects come a long way.
Yeah.
We're getting pretty close to traditional MX in both feel and sound. And I think you guys will be happy with where it's headed.
Okay, awesome.
And you gotta have a Thoughtfather sticker, man.
Thank you.
Right.
Thoughtfather, I love that. Ooh. KeyCon merch. Oh, this is the Key Machines table.
This is our second key machine drop. The clad knee or quad knee.
The Keycap set. Ooh. It's got the solenoid. Built this on string. Oh, this set looks nice, the Afro.
It's got a bunch of novelties.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Got GMK. Mr. Christoph made it. Oh, there's Franz. They made it out in person. Yeah, we met these guys before.
Trying to figure out what board I want to put it on. And after seeing all the new 65.
How you been? Long time no see.
You?
Good.
It's good.
Yeah. Oh, this looks so nice. They made GMK out of keycaps. Ooh, and these are the new effect pigmentations. Yeah, I love to see people like Christoph. They traveled overseas for this too. But yeah, it's great to see GMK be more front-facing with the community. Look at what we have. Franz let me check out
How long are you guys?
a prototype of the new upcoming
You're leaving tomorrow,
Nebula
actually,
keycap.
towards Sion, and then you're flying out from Vegas. So.
We also have Drop. Sheesh. Look at all these builds. Drop has them. Wow. So many new colorway options from Drop.
With the custom series of keyboards, magnetically detachable top pieces.
Oh, wow, okay.
Really easily change the appearance of the keyboard
Oh, that's actually so cool.
just by swapping the top piece like that.
Alright. Just checked out all the vendors. Let's see if there's any interesting boards here today. Oh my god! That is actually really nice. Who did this pattern for you?
This is, I think, anodized Ashley.
Oh, wait, that looks so good.
It's like a galaxy kind of thing.
Yeah. Do you mind being on camera? Oh. Met Julian C, one of the Twitch regulars. That is actually really beautiful. Sheesh. And the Dracula set to match.
Yeah, my buddy has.
Oh my, Julian brought all the Mr. Sleeves accents for me to sign. This is a first. pretty hard signing a skin keycap. And then this one? Okay, this is a board by Mr. Reggie. He's got a Bulbasaur and Pokemon themed matrix. This is not a keyboard, but we've got someone's Zeal flip-flops. Oh my goodness. Ain't no way. Is he trying to intentionally patina this?
Yeah, so this is a one-on-one board we had. Guy up in Oregon mill for you, right?
Do you mind being on camera?
Sure.
Could you explain your project board?
So the name of the board, Latin, is a medieval term for a copper alloy.
Okay.
And I worked with RM Keebs to make a remix of the 5 Degree board from KBD fans.
That's an old board.
I've got like 20 of them. The idea was originally to do it in copper, but it's too difficult to machine. So we ran one in aluminum and one in brass.
Okay.
The brass board ended up being about 2 kilos built.
Oh my.
And is about 3 times the weight of the aluminum board. It's got Bobo UT4s and GMK copper, of course, on it.
Got it.
But one fun project that he's sworn to never do again.
This is probably the only time I've seen a board say, please pick up.
And I'm trying to naturally put at meetups. So it is exactly raw brass coming off the machine. He media blasted it, and then I take it to meetups and have people handle it as much as possible.
That's awesome. All right, I will do my part and patina this. Oh my goodness.
Heavy, right?
Yeah.
And for the comparison, you can see the prototype and see the difference in weight.
Cool. Thank you. And this is the aluminum version. Yeah, this is way lighter. Getting a selfie. This is a massive full size. Well, not completely built, but this board is huge. Get a load of this. Who is this guy? Banditry? Oh my goodness. This guy has photo cards of himself. You know what? I'll take one. Why not? This is so funny. Well, looks like he brought some boards. Oh, there's Bandit Bay. Ah, that's cute. Okay. You think Bandit Bay has a wall covered with this? KBD Atom here. Built with Lego parts. Always pretty cool to see. They did a really nice job with the theme here. Ain't no way. Who did this? Oh yes, I love this. You got the goddess Cheon. These keyboards aren't really Cheon related, but you know, gotta respect the Cheon rep. This is the best table at the meetup. Ooh, this might also take the #1 spot. This is the, whose Joko is this? Oh, it's not a Joko. Foam mold by hand, denim wrapped. And they brought out all these denim pants as the background with this. Got an artisan party going on here.
This is one of my favorite TRM keycaps.
They might be trading some artisans.
I've never seen that sculpted before.
Issue in the hobby, and he's got some new stabilizers. It's a very fascinating session. And at the end, we'll be giving away a Bauer Light IRL edition, courtesy of OmniType. Again, that starts about 5 minutes. Go on in, enjoy it. We'll see you there.
Ooh, Norbar's finally going to reveal his stabilizer. I have to catch this. I mean, I already know about this. Oh, who's this guy? I hate this guy. Oh, I got your sticker. Oh, no. Ooh, the stabilizer problem. All right, can I mic you up by any chance?
If you want, sure.
Bought myself a Ron hat to support novelties. Oh my goodness. Look at all these artisans. I'm gonna guess Armendis' collection is somewhere here. We did run into Armendis earlier during the day. Oh my goodness, how do you even travel with this? This must be so nerve-wracking traveling with this much money that could get lost, stolen, or broken. Look who I am! Hello, the Utah native. How are you?
I brought it to meet you.
I won't film you. Nice to meet you. Yeah. This is Miss Olivia's future. Is that? Ooh, okay.
What is the finish on here? Does that have like a sparkle or something?
No, it's just e-coated.
Look at that finish. And the packaging. Sheesh.